Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a straightforward guide on how to add widgets to a specific page in WordPress, using the latest block themes and the full site editing feature. Whether you're looking to display recent posts, add some stylish social icons, or make your page more interactive with a search bar by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make these changes quickly, easily, and with confidence. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll want to check is whether your WordPress theme supports full site editing or FSE. Most modern block themes do, but just in case, it's good to double check. If you're not sure, try heading to your WordPress dashboard and look for the editor option under Appearance. If it's there, you're good to go. Now to start editing your page, simply navigate over to Appearance, then select Editor. Alternatively, if you already know exactly which page you want to customize, a contact page, your blog homepage, maybe a landing page for a special event, you can go right to that page and click Edit. This opens up WordPress's powerful block editor where you're free to build out your page piece by piece. Alright, now let's bring in those widgets. In the editor, take a look up in the top left corner. You'll find a little plus icon, often called the block inserter. Go ahead and give that a click. Think of this like your toolbox. It's where all the different blocks and widgets live, ready to be added wherever you want. Take a moment to scroll through the list. There are loads of options here, but what you're looking for is the category called Widgets. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. It's usually toward the lower half of the block library. Sometimes WordPress arranges this list based on what you've used recently, so just scroll down until you spot Widgets. Once you're in the Widgets section, you'll see familiar options like Latest Posts, which is super useful if you want to showcase your newest articles. Search, which helps visitors quickly find what they need, and Social Icons to make it easy for people to connect with you elsewhere. Want to add your latest Instagram photos, a newsletter sign-up box. There's something here for pretty much every need. Let's choose a widget, say the Latest Posts block, click on it, hold, and drag it right onto your page. WordPress gives you lots of flexibility here. You can position this widget wherever makes the most sense. Right at the top is a highlight, tucked into your sidebar, or at the bottom for those who scroll the whole way down. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what looks best. If you change your mind, just drag and drop again or use the undo button, no harm done. Once you have your widgets where you want them, it's important to make these changes live by clicking Update or Save in the top right corner of the editor. This step can be easy to forget, but it's absolutely necessary, otherwise no one but you will see your shiny new widgets. Give it a moment to finish saving before leaving the page, and that's really it. Adding widgets to a page with WordPress's block editor is way more intuitive than it used to be and offers tons of creative freedom. If anything felt a little tricky, pause the video, rewind, and take it at your own pace. Sometimes a little practice makes things click. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what widgets you're adding or if you have any questions I can help with. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your pages.